While some people are eager to get the COVID vaccines, others want no part of it. As 9 on your side's Craig Smith reports, some of those vaccine skeptics are in law enforcement.
Health officials say it is a challenge to get enough vaccine for the people who want it. Another issue in the fight to knock out the virus is the people who don't want the vaccine. Some of them in groups given priority for the shots because they're in public service and at higher risk, like law enforcement. Cochise County Sheriff Mark Dannell says in his department, about 60% of his 240 employees did not get vaccinated.
Some of it's personal choice, just based on they don't do vaccines or they've talked to their families, they choose not to. Some don't have trust in the vaccine. I've had a lot of that where they thought it was rushed. So as a result of that, they feel the vaccine is something they want to wait on and maybe take at a later date.
Sheriff Dannell says he's taken both shots of the vaccine, and he worries a major outbreak could knock out a lot of his staff. But he says following strict precautions has limited infections. The sheriff says he has shared expert medical information about the virus and the vaccines, but he does not feel he should order anyone to take the shot.
My thought as a sheriff is to provide them the information to make the best decisions. But to mandate that, I don't know, number one, I don't think I have the legal authority, but number two is that is a personal choice that I leave with my employees.
Sheriff Dannell says tight supplies and time in long lines may make it hard for staff who want vaccinations to get them, even if they are in a priority group. As for those who want to skip the shots, he thinks some may change their minds as more of their coworkers have vaccinations without serious trouble afterwards.
So they want to see where this takes in the future, if there's any side effects, and that goes back to trust too. And again, based on their personal beliefs and values, whether they want to take the shot in the future. It's totally up to them.
Craig Smith, KGUN 9 on your side.
We did check with Pima County Sheriff's Department. A spokesman there says they can't share specific numbers of staff vaccinations, but they believe most of the staff is getting immunized.